Hi everyone! Today, I'm drawing the Toy Story main toy characters. Let's draw and color together. Let's start with Woody. Woody is a cowboy doll who's the leader of the toys. Can you imagine being a cowboy like him? Have you seen the Toy Story movie? I love it! Let's draw Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear is a space ranger who can fly to infinity and beyond. How cool is that? I'm drawing Slinky Dog. Slinky Dog is a loyal friend who stretches and bounces around like a spring. How fun would it be to play with him? Who is your favorite character from the Toy Story? And let's draw Ham. I like to draw and color the Toy Story characters. Please try drawing with me. Let's draw Jessie here. Jessie is a spunky cowgirl who loves to yodel and dance. Do you know any cowboy moves? Do you have any favorite toys you like to play with? Next, I'm drawing Bo Peep. Bo Peep is a brave shepherdess who knows how to take care of her sheep. Isn't her outfit pretty? Then, let's draw Mr. Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head can change his face and part with his funny partner Mrs. Potato Head whenever they want. What silly faces can you make? I'm drawing Rex. Rex is a lovable, but sometimes scared, dinosaur who's always ready for an adventure. Do you think he's good at roaring? Let's add color to these main toy characters. Pinky, bring on the color. Each one of them looks wonderful. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.